Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to join Binance Launchpad to farm new token. So to join the Binance Launchpad and Launchpool allows user to farm and earn new token through various activity like staking. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it. So first of all, you need to go ahead and log into your Binance application. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page. Now while you're on this page, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and tap on the wallet or fiat and spot. You could go to that section by tapping on the profile from the top right, and here you just go and press on more services, type in fiat and spot. So while you press on that, next you have to go and click on the deposit and choose the currency you want to deposit. You just have to follow the instructions to deposit fund by bank transfer, credit card or cryptocurrency. Next, launch the launchpad from the Binance homepage by tapping on the earn in the top menu of the launchpad. As you've done that, you can go and launch on the launchpad page. You will see a current and a past token launch project. You can go and click on the ongoing or upcoming project to learn more about it. Then navigate to the pools. Similarly, you need to go and press on the earn and select launch pool. On the launch pool page, you will see available farm where you can stake token to earn new project. You could go ahead and understand the token sale process. Binance Launchpad project typically involves lottery or subscription mechanism. You will need to hold the Binance coin to participate in most token sales. And then you could also hold BNB in your wallet. Ensure that your BNB in your Binance wallet, the more BNB you hold, the higher your chances of receiving allocations. So by following the steps, you can effectively participate in Binance Launchpool or Launchpad to earn, farm and new token. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.